So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our odd US dollar. Now, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you do it to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. Now, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So when you take a look at this, your odd USD, right? You can clearly see that we are in an uptrend move. When you zoom it out, this trend says that we are in an uptrend move. So this was a massive movement that markets did. Then a pullback was made. Markets eventually formed a new high, and here comes the pullback right here, which is an equal higher low right here. So markets formed a new higher high, which made markets to take out this previous high, and here comes the higher low right here, right? Then markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high. You can see that the new higher high took out this previous high, and here comes the higher low right here, right? This is the higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, our next movement on odd USD should be a new higher high. So in the long run, we should be expecting odd USD to give us a bullish move. But when you go to your forward time frame right now, we would be, let's see if we can get a rejection from this level, thereby making market to come out to tap this resistance level here. So guys, let's see odd US dollar to tap a level of 0.6770 0.670. That is our next level on odd US dollar. But if there will be any changes to this prediction that we did, or if markets moved in the way that we did not expect it to move, or maybe I give you guys an update and tell you what you should be expecting next. And if it also moved according to our prediction, I'm also going to give you guys an update and tell you what we expect next. So in order for you to miss out on that update, click on that subscribe button, like and share.